Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in a place. Sit. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Okay, children, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children, sit in your place. Children, take out your classwork, ma. Example 7. Example 11. Higher order thinking skills. Okay. The clock gives show the start time and the end time of the math class. How long was the class? See, here the clock given. What is the clock? What is the time here? 10 o'clock. Yes. Here, what is the time? 10:45. What is the total period of the maths class? Tell me. 10 o'clock starts class. Okay. Class ends 10:45. Total minutes, how many minutes it take? The clock given show the start time and the end time of the math class. How many? Sorry. How long was the class? How long was the class? Tell me. See, the time was given. See, what is the time? Short end is in 10. Long end is in 12. What is the time? 10 o'clock. Yes? End with. What is the time? Short end between 10 and 11. Long end is in 9. What is the time? 10:45. Okay. Solution. The start time is 10 o'clock and the end time is 10:45. Okay. The difference in the given times 10:45 minus 10. 10:45 minus 10. What is the difference? Difference means what? Minus you should do. Yes. 10:45 minus 10. 45 minutes. Okay. Therefore, the length of the math class was 45 minutes. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork, ma. Okay. Next, I will explain 12th example. Okay. See, children, 12th one. Sanjay spreads on hours between 4:30 and 5:30 for different activities. The start time for each activity is as shown. Okay. See, playing time. Playing time on, what is the time? 4:30. Start with 4:30. Okay. Drinking milk, 4:45. Homework. See, homework 4:55. Yes. Now, TV 5:15. Okay. TV off 5:30. Okay. Read the clock and answer the following questions. When did Sanjay begin drinking milk? When he did drink milk? Tell me. Sanjay began drink milk at 4:45. As they given the time. That one you should write. Okay. For how long did he play? How long did he play? See. See, playing time. What is the playing time? 4:30. As drinking milk 4:45. How much time he played? Only 15 minutes. As 4:30, see, 4:45 minus 4:30 you should do. 15 minutes will come. Okay. Next. For how long did he watch TV? See. How long did he watch TV? TV on. When he on TV? 5:20. Yes. TV off? 5:30. How many minutes it take? 5:30 minus 20. 5:20. Yes. How many minutes is watch? Only 10 minutes. Understood? This one I will write, okay, like this you should do. See, take out your textbook, children. Sorry, take out your workbook. Take out your workbook, children. Higher order thinking skill. Okay. 21. What is that? The English class starts at 9 and end at 9:30. The science class starts at 9:30 and end at 10. How long were both classes individually? See? 21. Solution. The starts time of English class, when it will start, is 9. Okay. The end time is 9:30. Okay. The length of English class 9:30 minus 9. What is that? 30 minutes. Yes. English class, you will take 30 minutes. Next, science class. What is the science class? The start time of science class is 9:30. The end time is 10. The length of science class, see, 10 minus 9:30 is equal to 30 minutes. Both classes 30 minutes. Okay. Did you understand, children? The English class starts at 9 o'clock. Okay. End at 9:30. What you have to do? The length of English class you should find. Yes. Then 9:30 minus 9. If you do 9:30 minus 9. See. 9:30 minus 9. 0 minus 0, 0. 0. In the 3, 0 will minus 3 only. 9 minus 9, 0. 30 minutes. Yes or no? Like that only, same this also. Started time science class 9:30, ended time 10. Okay. What you have to do? 10 minus 9:30. Understood? Write in the workbook ma. See, children, next one, long answer question. Long answer question mark. See, what is that? 22nd one. The following table gives the start and end time of the few Afzal's activity. Find the duration of each activity. See, Afzal activity they given starting time and ending time. See, tennis practice. Starting time. What is the time? Look at the workbook, ma. Everyone look at the workbook. See, starting time. What is the starting time for tennis practice? 8 o'clock and 8:30. Yeah. Next, lunch. 2:15 ends 2:50. After that, playing chess. Starting time 4, end time 4:40. Okay. You should find this. Okay. See. Tennis practice. Tennis practice. Starting time what? Start time they given as start time 8 o'clock. As end time. End time. What is that end time? 8:30. Then what you have to do? The duration of the tennis practice you should find as the duration of tennis practice is equal to 8:30 minus 8 is equal to 30 minutes. Understood, children? A1. This is A1. B1. Lunch. Lunch time you should find as lunch. Start time. What is the start time of lunch? See? 2:15. 2:15. End time? End time. What is the end time? 2:50. 2:50. The duration of lunch? Is equal to 2:50 minus 2:15. See here what you have to do? 8:30 minus 8 as 0 minus 0, 0. In the 3, 0 will go? No, 3 only. 8 minus 8, 0. 30 minutes came here. Okay. Here what you have to do? Again 2:50 minus 2:15. Okay. In the 0, 5 will go? No. What you have to do? You should borrow from here. 10. Here 4. In the 10, 5 should minus. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. What is the time? 35 minutes. Understood? What is the time? 35 minutes for lunch. Understood the children? Copy in the workbook, ma. C1 I will say you after that. First you copy this. After that I will write on the board. See. Playing chess. First copy that. Over. I will write the board now. Next, playing chess. C bit. See, playing chess. C1. Okay, what is that? Playing chess. Starting time. See, look at the clock mark. Starting time. What is the starting time? 4 o'clock. S. Start time 4 o'clock. End time 4:40. S. What you have to do? The duration of playing chess. You should find S is equal to 4:40 minus 4 o'clock. See, 4:40 minus 4 o'clock. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 4, 0 will minus 4 only. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 40 minutes. Understood? Copy it. 40 minutes it will take for playing chess. Lunch 35 minutes. 30 minutes tennis practice. Okay? Copy fast, children.